Hello, my name's Paul Sheriff. Welcome to my From Zero to Programmer series. This module is From Zero to JavaScript Templating. Simplify DOM manipulation using templates in JavaScript. My name is Paul D. Sheriff. I've been a professional software developer since 1985. I've been training developers since 1986. I have been a software consulting business owner since 1991. I've written 14 books, hundreds of video training courses, magazine articles, and blog posts. I've been a speaker at major conferences and user groups around the world, a Pluralsight and YouTube author, and you can contact me at psheriff@pdsa.com or visit my website at www.pdsa.com. So why should you take my course? I've been a professional developer and top-rated trainer since 1986. I'm going to show you real-world concepts, not just language syntax. I'm going to help you break down those complex subjects into easy-to-understand steps. I'm also going to be giving you sample code, hands-on labs, and links to other technical references and answers to any questions you may have on my course material. So please take some time and subscribe to my channel, Paul D. Sheriff. This course uses HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, ECMAScript 2015, that's ES6 or later, Visual Studio Code version 1.9x or later, and I recommend using the latest browsers, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Opera. I always recommend Chrome and use Chrome especially on the Mac OS as Safari has some issues when displaying web pages from the file system. Be sure to check out my other YouTube courses by subscribing to my channel at Paul D. Sheriff. I have topics such as C# fundamentals, C# object-oriented programming fundamentals, minimal web API development using MVC, how to start and run a successful business, and I have a whole modern JavaScript series that I'm starting to create, so stay tuned, there's a lot more coming. You are in the right place if you want to learn how to use template strings, use the HTML template element, use the Mustache library to simplify DOM manipulation, and how to make your JavaScript more efficient. This module is also good for back-end developers, QA people, and managers. The objectives for this module are to master the effective generation of HTML, understand how to integrate generated HTML into the DOM, create dynamic web pages utilizing string concatenation and template literals, employ the template tag for storing HTML to be generated, and utilize the Handlebars library for HTML generation. For this module, I'm assuming you have a good knowledge of JavaScript, a basic knowledge of CSS and HTML, and you have an editor such as Visual Studio Code, Sublime, Atom, or any other typical coding editor. In this module, we're going to be creating HTML dynamically with string concatenation, creating HTML dynamically with template literals, and then we're going to turn to Handlebars and learn how to use the Handlebars library for HTML templating and also use it for templating lists and tables. I highly recommend that you take the time to do the labs. These are step-by-step instructions to solidify your understanding of the topics taught in this course. Labs and sample code are available at pdsa.com/YouTube. And while you're at it, please subscribe to my channel. So join me on your journey to learning JavaScript templating.